Let me tell you what, gentlemen. This is Mike Marks here, and I'm here in Connecticut here doing some grilling and grilling. I got all the Martin boys here. We got our Tato Marron right here.
Boya! Some rusty Mark. Isusuyo bikata. We got some Tato Marron. Where's Sierra?
Yeah. We just came off that boat down there. We caught some stripers. This is what's left of it, fellas. Steve ate it all. We got our bass right here. We got our mustard seasoning right there. Here's our grill right here. Back on my cucaruzo.
Well, put this bread in there.
Tato Mago. Hey boys, any Tato Mago? Name?
Property we bought. Video. This is a little property we bought.
Well, that's it right now, Leander, from here. That's what we got going right here now for the chillin' and chillin' in Connecticut, New England style. This is New England style, boys.
New England is best, cousin.
And a little bit of Jersey. Hey, Skeek, we're all from New England. Where's this guy from? Well, that's it, gentlemen. That's it for Grillin' and Chillin' Connecticut style. See you next time.
I wish my buddy was here. She was missing out. Happy birthday, Shay.